DIY here with Zach. We have another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Vondior stainless steel thermal carafe. It's a day out of school due to snow, and we're going to be looking to build a little snowman, but we want some hot chocolate to enjoy along the way. This carafe would also be fantastic for coffee. As Zach said, it kind of looks like the ones that they use at local restaurants. So I'm looking forward to it keeping our hot chocolate warm while we're out building a snowman. Craft itself is stainless steel, looks really nice. The cap comes off really easy, you just twist it right off. And the carafe is all stainless steel inside. It has a vacuum on the inside between these two stainless steel walls that keep drinks hot for up to 20 hours according to what they say, and it keeps cold stuff cold up to 36 hours. They do recommend pre-cooling this off if you want to keep something cold in there to get that maximum benefit. And for hot stuff, I can't see heating it up, but I guess you could heat it up and it'd be warmer before you put stuff in there. We're just gonna make the hot chocolate, put it right in there, swivel it around, and have some hot chocolate and see how it does. While we're preparing the water for our hot chocolate, just want you to know that we did get a free cleaner for this as well, which is a definite bonus. It's always hard to scrub these stainless steel ones out, and they give us a nice rotating brush to do that. We boiled our water. We're gonna pour it right into the carafe. It's steaming hot, and we measured 4 cups. You see that pouring boiling water in there? Nothing happens with it. It's just going to stay very hot. So it shows you that it's built for hot beverages. Let's add our hot chocolate mix in the carafe. So here we go. We couldn't make that tall of a snowman. We're still going to add the accessories, but we feel it's time for hot chocolate. So we're going to use the stainless steel carafe and have some. We even have some marshmallows on the side. So we'll enjoy and we'll report back once we have the hot chocolate free-flowing. We're just gonna stir it up here to get some hot chocolate flowing in there. And when we want to release it, it actually has a vacuum type seal on there. You just saw steam coming out. But if you push the button down, it'll free flow into the mug. And we have 2 mugs down here. First we'll go for my Marvin the Martian mug. And we got this other mug right here. When I release it, let's the flow go. Again, it's 32 degrees out here, so this thing is going to cool off really fast for us, which is great, but it's going to stay warm and hot inside the stainless steel carafe. It's been a little while to let it cool off. I'm going to test it first. This could be very hot, so be careful. It's very, very hot. First sip is very, very hot. So far, this is insulating just great. 32 degree weather while building snowmen. Let's start building the snowman while we wait for this to cool off a little bit more. Good? Warm?
Very hot.
Too hot? Okay. So we're still here. I'm enjoying my hot chocolate. I don't think it's too hot. It's still steaming a little bit. Zach says it's really hot, but what that means is that this Vondior stainless steel carafe is working great. It's keeping all the heat in there. I'm going to go for a second cup just to find out if it's hot enough. And Zach's going to pick up snow and hopefully not hit me with it. So the other thing is, it's very watertight. The snowman's not getting any hot chocolate today. I'm going to pour myself another cup. And that looks to be steaming still, so it's definitely holding the heat in, even in 32 degree weather outdoors. Overall, the Vondior stainless steel carafe seems to be working great. I'm on my second cup of hot chocolate here. Zach's taking a little break. The snowman's just chilling. Get it? Chilling. But it's an awesome product. It's doing a great job of keeping our hot chocolate warm. I highly recommend it. I see nothing wrong with it. There's really no cons with it at all. It's pretty simple design, and it keeps things hot or cold, so it does an awesome job. If you'd like to purchase the Vondior stainless steel carafe, please look for a link in the description below. Send it to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this review and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all the support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.